Welcome to the Hill and Levy Financial Network Patreon, the official community for people who are serious about mastering credit, funding, and generational wealth. If you follow the YouTube channel, you already know we don't do hype. We don't do shortcuts. We teach systems, real strategies that help real people transform their financial lives. This Patreon is where I share the tools, templates, worksheets, and behind-the-scenes training that I can't put on YouTube. This is the warm-up zone before you join the Hill and Levy Academy on School. As a member, you'll get monthly mini ebooks, journal pages from the Hill and Levy journal line, exclusive trainings, private live streams, Q&A calls, case studies, and early access to new episodes. Every tier gives you more access, more tools, and more support. If you're ready to fix your credit, build business funding, start your business, and master the Four Pockets wealth system, this is where your journey begins. Choose your tier, join the community, and let's build your financial future together. Welcome to the Hill and Levy Inner Circle.